The SMARTsurg team has designed and built a robot-assisted minimally invasive surgery demo unit. This video features a trial on demo unit by a surgeon. The project incorporates key novelties for the next generation of surgical robotics. The perception of feeling the instrument in the hands is restored back to the surgeons. This happens through the development of highly dexterous, anthropomorphic surgical instruments and wearable hand exoskeleton with haptic feedback. Also, the active dynamic constraints, while using point cloud real-time 3D reconstruction, allow the surgeon to safely perform procedures in critical areas. The SMARTsurg demo unit has been evaluated by surgeons for oncological, cardio-vascular, and orthopedic procedures. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme, under Grant Agreement Number 732515.